In rotomolding, the secret to a flawless product isn't just the machine, it's the powder. But how do we get there? It starts with high-grade polyethylene. At Indoplasko, we use both virgin materials and our own recycled PE waste, ensuring a circular and sustainable production cycle. The material enters our high-speed milling facility. Here, solid PE is ground down into a specific micron size. This isn't just grinding, it's precision engineering to ensure the material melts uniformly inside the mold. Every batch is sieved and inspected. We control the particle size distribution to prevent air bubbles and ensure maximum wall thickness consistency in the final product. The result is a high-quality, consistent PE powder, ready to be shaped into durable industrial solutions. From waste to wonder, this is how we build sustainably. Partner with Indoplasko for your next sustainable manufacturing project. Visit Indoplasko.com to learn more.